I want you to pray for the peace of our country. Kenya is an anchor state. Many countries. I spoke to many leaders over the last couple of weeks, and they are looking at Kenya to provide solutions for the peace of our region. From Somalia to Ethiopia to DRC to South Sudan and the whole of this region. The world is looking at us as an anchor state to provide solutions for the challenges of peace we have in our nation. But that spirit of conflict has also come to our country. We lost several people and several policemen yesterday and day before in Turkana. We are doing what we must do as a government to make sure that we see the last of these kind of things, so that our country can be peaceful and so that Kenya can play its rightful place being the anchor state in this region. So pray for our country so that the spirit of conflict will be defeated. And we are going to work as government to make sure that we deal with that menace, deal with that challenge, so that we can keep peace in our country and make sure that Kenya occupies the place, its rightful place in the community of nations, to provide leadership and to anchor the peace and tranquility of our region. So pray for our forces, pray for our policemen and women, our security agencies, so that they can discharge their responsibilities.